Welcome to OneCloud CX's System Administration WebChat Basics series. Today we'll be going over the third part of a three-part series. Picking up from the last videos, you have created a scenario and service. In this video, we'll make a scenario entry. In your tenant, head over to the Scenario Entries tab, then click Messaging and Chat. After clicking Messaging and Chat, click the plus icon and enter your scenario entry name. In this case, I'll be using one I've already created. Once in Properties, and after you've entered the scenario entry name, select your scenario and service that you've created. Now click on the Chat widget. Here's where you can edit your chat styling and your chat initiation, which is how your customers can interact with your website in chat. Once you've modified it, you'll click Save and enter a name. Once you're done customizing, click Apply. Thanks for watching. For more information and training on our product, visit us at support.onecloud.com, and we'll see you next time.